It's July 18th, 2021. The raspberry is doing quite well. You can see there's still a lot more flowers forming and more new fruits forming. Harvested some fruits today as well. And here's another cluster of new flowers. And here are the new canes that have formed. Doesn't look like there's any flower buds forming. Here are the asparagus. Here are two new stems forming of the asparagus. And that new stem that formed last week is dried up. I haven't really been watering the plants enough. And here's the fruits or seeds that are still forming. You can see it's still green. It hasn't turned red yet, but as soon as it turns red, we can harvest these for the seeds. Over here's the grape. Grape looks great. You can see the plants are clinging onto the trellis quite well. Here's the blueberry. The plant has sort of recovered from that heat wave, but you can see here are some of the damaged fruits. You can see it's wrinkly and dried up. But beside that, there's still a lot of blueberries that can be harvested this year. Like these ones over here, you can see they're pretty plump. And these are the raspberry that I harvested today. Looking pretty good. Here's the lavender. These are the flowers that have opened already. You can see they're drying up now. And the lavender is still sending out new flowers. As you can see right here, these ones are going to open up pretty soon. And here are some already opened new flowers. Smells really nice, and I really like the color as well. Here's a bunch more new flowers forming. It's all over the plants. Here's the dahlia. You can see some flower buds forming at the tip of each of the new growth. Here's the hoya. Those flower clusters are really taking off now. You can see they're really getting longer and bigger. Each of the flower buds are forming. Here's another cluster. Just gonna give you some close up of the flower buds. And here's a cluster of the hydrangea flower that wasn't affected by the heat wave. You can see here's some more new hydrangea growth. In fact, the new growth is all over the plant, even at the axillary buds. Here's the shooting star variety. The flowers looks about the same. Don't think the center ones are gonna open much more. Here's the fiddle leaf fig. You can see it's sending out a new set of leaves. It's very actively growing. And this is the harvest today. Lots of blueberries, as you can see, and some tiny bits of raspberry.